When in doubt, always check.
Yeah, it seems like they're really far into shore.
Yeah. That's a nice house over there.
Jesus.
I don't know if I'd be swimming in this water. Maybe out here I would.
Why? Because it's still gross?
It's not bad. I mean, I've never.
Ah.
That's a. You know what that is? Cargo ship. That's cars. It's probably going
two
in.
different boats.
Oh yeah, that's aircraft carrier.
That's what it looks like.
Trump. Whoop 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 whoop. Oh yeah, it's an aircraft carrier. Looks like it. I like the tub boats.
I think I have it on.
Should be able to hear it, huh?
Yeah.
So did you plot our drive or what? Or go straight, go right?
A little bit swell. No, I haven't plotted it yet, but I could.
Yeah, it's a little bit slow. Oh yeah, it's breaking there. Look. Oh, they got the wires on.
I'm gonna try to go on the inside of them, obviously.
Are you on the inside?
Yeah.
Yeah, look, there's a little wave over there. See it?
Yeah. It's a bit more swell than I expected.
Yeah, it's 3 meters. Yeah, see it hitting there?
Yeah. Tide's in.
Yeah, tide's high right now. A lot of depth here. Yeah, a little tiny bit
I don't want to
there.
be close to these guys, but
I think you're better to be here this side than the other side, right?
yeah, on the other bullshit.
Said by every boulder with another boulder in the way.
Yeah.
Oh, it's nice. Those are. It's funny. You'd think in Halifax Harbor all the surfing would be to the south, but it's not. The geography is not right.
Yeah.
I'm sure there's a couple of days here, but yeah, look, it's breaking over there.
They're pulling us him in, right?
Yeah. They tugging.